Thank you. This will be a short resolution approved by the members of the Sangguniang Bayan this morning, led by our Vice Mayor and the members of the local council of Cainta, Shamsi. Very short lang ito, resolution number 2011-049. A resolution bestowing upon Ms. Shamsi Sutsut the title Outstanding Citizen of Cainta, natatanging Cainteña Award in grateful recognition of her achievement as a third runner-up in the recently concluded Miss Universe Beauty Pageant. Congratulations, Shamsi. Is hereby awarded to Ms. Shamsi G. Sutsut in honor of your achievement of winning the Miss Universe 2011 third runner-up title for your valuable contribution to the promotion of our local culture and tourism. You are hereby recognized as an outstanding citizen of the municipality of Cainta, province of Rizal, given on the 19th of September 2011. Signed, Ramon Ilagan, Mayor. Beautiful girls, I could be chasing. Bayan ng Cainta, handa na ba kayo para kay Miss Shamsi? Ito na po siya para magbigay po sa atin ng mensahe. Miss Shamsi, Sutsut, palakpakan po natin! Beautiful girls, all over the world. Salamat ang ating Miss Universe 2011 third runner-up, Miss Shamsi!